What's up guys, welcome to a new video. In today's video I want to help you guys create a Adidas account. So let's begin. The first thing that you guys need to do is go on Google and search for Adidas. Now scroll down over the ads and click on their official site. And at the top you have the option to log in. Click on that. Scroll down and then you have the option to sign up for free. Click on that. Good, now fill in your email. Now create a password, but read the requirements first. Please use 8 or more characters with at least one number and a mixture of uppercase and lowercase letter. So make sure you have that in your password. Good, now select your identity. Click yes, I'm 13 plus years old. Then click sign up for free. Okay, apparently this email, it ain't good. Sign up for free. And you're good to go. That's all you guys have to do. Hope I was helpful. If I was, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.